My name is Nicolas Lojo. My company is Fiber Pro Network Services, and we are based off Orlando, Florida. We do utility services that ranges all from power, communications, small water lines, small sewer lines, irrigation lines. The Vermeer equipment that we use, there are directional drills, and we have 1015s, 2330s, and 2022s. I believe Vermeer has the name of the directional drill machines. When we went to choose the first machine, we were sure that we were getting the best machine at Vermeer. My experience after my initial purchase was great. I had Vermeer Southeast drill specialists coming to my yard, and with both of my machines at the time, we went through a 4-hour class with all my drillers, all my staff, all the mechanics that we have over there, and we went through all the items of the machine, going from preventive maintenance all the way to operational items. It's really important to us to have that type of attention right after we buy the machines. Getting the right machine, getting the right training, getting the equipment that we need at the time that we need, it's been a big part of making my company successful.